Okay, so this line of code actually checks whether your screen is empty or not. So if there's no number dialed into the screen, it's gonna give you this toast on the screen that says enter something else. So else we have to else we are going to dial the number. So start activity new intent dot action call comma UI dot pass. So we actually need the URI to pass the telephone number to it. So URI to pass into brackets string telephone number tell plus screen. I think it's screen get text. And the last parameter will be okay, yeah, no last parameter here. Uh, that's it. So we are actually getting an error because we need to check for permissions. I think in Android 6.0, yeah, Android 6.0, if I'm quite sure, you when you want to use a permission, you need to check for permissions. So in this case, we want to use the action call permission. So what we have to do is create a permission, check permission method. So I have one here, which I'm just going to paste. So we have this boolean check call permission. So what this line does is this line actually calls the permission. So the permission we need to check for is under the permission dot call for, and then we initialize a variable which is res and assign it to this method get application content. That this refers to the context of your activity dot check calling or self permission. So we are going to pass the permission into this method. So what we do next is we return these two integers. We have to return if this integer is equal to the integer package manager dot permission grant. So if this is true, you get permission. So let's make a little change here. So else if so I can check our permission and then our error result. But we forgot to now we have to add that permission to our manifest. So let's just do that right here. So we use this permission Android dot permission Android dot permission is already here. Here's the call form. Then we're done. So now we have no more errors because we've checked for permission and it has found out that permission is available in the manifest file. So we can now proceed. Okay. So here in the delete button, what we are going to be doing is that let's say you have entered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, blah 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 blah. You need to delete. You obviously have to delete from the back. So let's say 9 goes first before 2 goes first before 8 goes first before 7 goes first. So you're just going to do a quick method for that. So we use an if clause here, if screen dot get text dot string dot length is greater than or equal to 1, then we're going to execute this function. So string new screen is equal to screen dot get text dot string dot substring is bracket 0, so turning from 0 screen dot get text oh dot get text what am I doing? string. Is there any wrong method here? To string length -1. And the reason why we're using -1 is, I think let's add something here. Okay. Oh, screen.getText string the substring 0, comma screen.getText into string length -1. Why am I getting an error here? No, the statement. I think I need to put this in braces so that it clears the error for me. Okay, looks like that works. So I was saying that why is -1 is because we will be deleting from the end of the string. So you will deleting from, so 9 will go first for 8, 7, 6, 4, 5, 4, 4. That's how it's going to work. And then we set the new screen to screen.setText to new screen. Okay, so we are done here. Now let's check whether the application is running now. Beeswax. Okay, so my meter is already up and running. So okay. Point. Let's wait for it to show up in the emulator. Then we're gonna see how it works. Oh, isn't this taking slow, man? Okay, so we have our application here. Now let's try not entering any digits. Enter some digits. So because the test field is empty, it requires us to enter some digits. Now let's enter write down a number down. Oh. Okay, you can see it's actually called a number 312.36.908. So you can see the application is now working perfectly. Now with the delete, you see that when I tap 1, it deleted 8, deletes 5, deletes 9, deletes 8, 9, 7, 8. Okay, so that's all guys for this tutorial. I hope you like this tutorial and make sure you subscribe for more videos like this one. Okay guys, see you later. Peace.